In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flip boxes in WordPress. We'll be using Elementor for this, so make sure you already have a page set up with the Elementor editor enabled. Start by opening any page with Elementor. When the editor loads, you'll see your page in the main area, and on the left side, you'll have the Elementor panel with all the available widgets. In that left panel, scroll or use the search bar to find the Flipbox widget. Once you see it, drag and drop it onto your page where you want the flip box to appear. As soon as you place it, its editing and styling options will appear on the left panel. You'll start in the Content tab. Here, you first configure the front side of the flip box. At the top, choose what kind of graphic you want. If you don't want any graphic at all, click the None icon. If you'd like to show an image, click the Image icon and upload or choose an image from your media library. If you prefer a simple icon, click the icon or star icon and pick one that matches your design. Below that, you'll see fields for the title and description. Type your main heading in the title field and then add your supporting text or explanation in the description field. This is what users will see before the box flips. Next, you'll set up the back of the flip box. Click on the back section in the Content tab and it will expand. The backside doesn't include a graphic area, so here you just focus on the title and description. These often explain more details or a call to action. You'll also see a button area. If you don't want a button at all, simply delete the button text and it will disappear. If you do want a button, customize the button text, then add the link where you want visitors to go when they click it. Still under the Content tab, click the Settings section. Here you can choose the HTML tags for your title and description, adjust the height and border radius, and control how the flip behaves. You can select the flip effect, choose the flip direction, and even enable 3D depth to make the animation feel more dynamic. To refine the look, switch to the Style tab. You'll find detailed styling controls for both the front and the back, colors, typography, spacing, and more. This is where you match the flip box to your site's branding. For more advanced adjustments, go to the Advanced tab. Here you can work with layout options, motion effects, transformations, background settings, borders, masks, responsive behavior, attributes, and even custom CSS if you need precise control. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if it's a new one. That will save your changes and make your Flipbox live on your site. And that's how you create Flipboxes in WordPress using Elementor.